Have you ever sat down and imagined what your life would be like if you didn't have to worry about money every month? If you could wake up knowing your bills are covered, your future is secure, and your wealth is steadily growing, all while you sleep? For most people, that dream feels impossible. They think you need thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars, just to get started in real estate. But here's the truth. That's not entirely true. You don't always need your own money to start investing. Let me introduce you to something that has completely changed the game for beginners and experienced investors alike: the no money down system investor. This system is built around one simple but powerful idea: leveraging other people's money, opportunities, and strategies to start building your real estate portfolio without putting your own cash up front. Today, we're going to break it all down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll understand how ordinary people, just like you, are buying properties, creating cash flow, and building wealth, all without ever needing a huge pile of money to begin. So stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change your financial future forever. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, Sarah was like most of us, working a 9-to-5 job, paycheck to paycheck, dreaming of financial freedom but feeling trapped. She wanted to invest in real estate. She wanted to create a future where money worked for her instead of the other way around. But there was one big problem. She didn't have the money. Then one day, she stumbled upon a system that promised something she thought was impossible: a way to buy properties, generate rental income, and build wealth without spending a single dollar of her own up front. It sounded too good to be true, but she decided to take a chance. Within a few months, Sarah had her first property under contract, rented it out, and used creative financing to cover the cost. One property turned into 2, and then 5, each generating passive income. Today, Sarah has multiple properties, a growing portfolio, and a financial freedom she never imagined, all starting with zero cash of her own. And here's the thing: Sarah's story isn't unique. This is exactly how countless everyday Americans are breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. In this video, we're going to show you how you can do the same. The core idea behind the no money down system is simple but powerful. You don't need your own money to start investing in real estate. Most people think that without cash, investing is impossible. But the truth is, wealth is built through knowledge, strategy, and action, not just money. Here's how it works. First, you identify opportunities, properties where the seller is motivated, maybe because they need to sell fast or are facing financial pressure. Motivated sellers are more willing to accept creative financing options, which is where you can step in without using your own cash. Second, you leverage other people's money. This can be through partnerships with investors, private lenders, or even the seller themselves. Creative financing strategies allow you to control the property while the payments are structured in a way that doesn't drain your pocket. Third, you focus on cash flow. Once you control a property, you rent it out, cover expenses, and then, as the property increases in value, you can refinance. The equity you pull out can fund the next property, repeating the process over and over. This system turns what seems impossible into reality. It's not about luck. It's about knowing the steps, taking action, and using the right strategies to grow your real estate portfolio without risking your own money. The very first step in the no money down system is finding motivated sellers. These are the people who want, or sometimes need, to sell their property quickly. Maybe they're relocating for a job, facing foreclosure, going through a divorce, or simply tired of managing a rental. Whatever the reason, their urgency is your opportunity. Why is this important? A motivated seller is often willing to negotiate terms that allow you to control the property without paying all the money up front. This is the gateway to the entire no money down approach. But how do you find these sellers? Start by looking in your local real estate market for listings that have been on the market for a long time, or properties that are pre-foreclosure or short sales. Networking is also key. Talk to real estate agents, attend local investor meetups, and even reach out directly to property owners who might be struggling. The goal here isn't just to find any property, it's to find the right property where the seller's needs align with your strategy. When you can match a motivated seller with creative financing, You open the door to a deal that requires little to no money down. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your real estate journey. So here's the truth. The no money down system isn't a fantasy, it's a proven roadmap. Countless everyday Americans have used these strategies to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building real wealth through real estate, all without spending their own money up front. Remember Sarah's story? She started with zero cash, just knowledge, creativity, and determination. Today, she owns multiple properties, enjoys consistent cash flow, and has the freedom most people only dream about. And the best part is, you can do it too. It all starts with taking action. Find motivated sellers, explore creative financing options, focus on cash flow, and keep repeating the process. Each step builds on the previous one, and over time, you can create a portfolio that generates real income and long-term financial security. If this video inspired you, take one small action today. Research a motivated seller, talk to a local investor, or learn one new creative financing strategy. Every small step moves you closer to financial freedom. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'll keep sharing strategies, tips, and insights to help you build wealth, take control of your finances, and create the life you've always wanted.